In this video, you will see how to remove vertical lines from table in Word document. Like this, it's very easy. What you need to do is first click inside the table and then click on Table Layout tab. At the left hand side, you will see the option of Eraser. So, this is the table eraser. You just have to click on this option and then just right click and cross on the line that you don't want. In this way you can remove the vertical line from the table. Similarly, you can remove other vertical lines one by one like this. But if you want to remove more lines from the table, what you need to do is go to the table design tab and here you will see the option of borders. Okay, so you just have to select the cells, for example like this. So, we will remove this border, internal border. After selecting, just go to the borders option and this time just remove this option by clicking on it inside vertical border. After clicking on this, vertical borders from the table will be removed. If you want to remove all the vertical lines, you can select the table and under the borders just select the option inside vertical border. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved to your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.